Hello and welcome to my GPT Store Exposed review. In this review, I'm going to show you the members area and show you exactly what you get with GPT Store Exposed, and I'm going to give you a little insight of what it's all about here. So this is the members area of GPT Store Exposed. Now, as you can see, it's a course that will teach you how to use the GPT creator in ChatGPT. And it's going to give you a little rundown of how to put those GPTs that you create on the GPT store. Now, when you click on the link down below in the description, it's going to take you to this page. This is the sales page. You can go ahead and scroll through and read it as you wish, but I'm going to show you the members area here. So over on the left-hand side of the screen is all of the course material, and over on the right-hand side of the screen is where you're going to see the videos. The really beauty about this is that they're going to explain to you how you can make money with GPTs and the best way to do it. And over here on the left-hand side, let's go ahead and do a brief rundown here. Just welcome to the GPT store. This gives you a little rundown about what exactly it is, and then we're going to give you a brief explanation of the GPT and GPT store. Why you need to start now, why it's critical that you start right now. The time is right now to get started with this. Don't wait, do it now. If you're thinking about getting this course, get it now, start now. Don't hesitate because this is something new. GPT Store is brand new, just released in January of 2024. And if you wait on it, you're going to miss out. So get it now and start now. And this video will tell you exactly why you need to start now. This opens up a whole new world of opportunities, the opportunities that you can have with GPTs, real-time GPT creation in seconds, watch us rank. So this is an over-the-shoulder view of how to create GPTs. If you don't know how to do it, it's going to show you how to do that. The GPT store ranking seconds, how you can rank in the GPT store. Let Quora build your GPT and serve you traffic. So how you could get traffic to your GPTs just by using Quora. The power of Medium and AI, how to use Medium to get traffic to your GPTs. Now, it's essential that you get traffic to your GPTs so that you rank higher in the GPT store. The power of Facebook for GPT traffic. So how to get traffic to your GPTs through Facebook. Spread the word on your GPTs. How you can get more traffic, once again, with other platforms. How the world literally tell you what GPTs to make. Be a GPT affiliate machine. How to make money with your GPTs. That was something that that's the reason why I bought this whole course, is because I wanted to know how to make money, affiliate money with ChatGPT. And right there, this is a video. Be a GPT affiliate machine will teach you exactly how to do that. Building your email list and giving away bonuses through your GPTs. Name your price by having your GPT rank on page 1 of Google. Your custom GPT store exposed GPT, and here are your upgrades. And if you click on this, it's going to show you upgrades that you can get, though you don't have to get any of the upgrades. Just need to get the front end to take advantage of the GPT store right now. Join the bandwagon. Get in now, start making your GPTs, have them rank on Google, have them start getting watched, because the more people that watch your GPTs, the higher that all of your GPTs are going to rank. So I hope you found this video helpful to you. If you did, click a like below. Remember, the link for the GPT Store Exposed is down below in the description. Go ahead and click on that if you're interested in getting this course. It's really inexpensive. I believe it's $17. So go ahead, get this now, and rank your GPTs in the GPT store and start making money today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.